think what I've been waiting for a long while is finally here, and I'm super excited to open this package. I just heard the doorbell, so let's see if it's here. There she is. So this is my Casetify package. Let's go inside and see what they sent to me. Let's go. Okay guys, so I have it in my studio right now, aka my bedroom. But yeah, I'm super excited to unbox it. I was just gonna unbox it like this, but I decided that it's kind of a big package, so we're gonna have it on my overhead rig over there, and we're gonna unbox it to see what we have inside. Hopefully they sent some custom cases for me. It's for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I currently have the Apple leather case on this device right here. So I'm gonna remove that and we're gonna see what Casetify sent us. I'm super excited. Without any further ado, let's go. Okay, I have it upside down. What? Look at this packaging. This packaging already looks amazing. Oh my god. Alright, so I don't even want to take this off, but let's do it just for the satisfaction. This is one of the best unboxing experiences I've ever had. Damn. Alright, let's get rid of this bowl. I'm sorry Casetify, but I have to. Now let's unbox this. Ooh. Okay. So, thanks a million for choosing us. Shout out to Casetify, of course. And then we have another cute little bow tie right here again. Oh, alright, nice. Alright. So these are the cases they sent for me. They knew I had the gold one. Alright, these are cool. What's inside here? Oh, okay, these are just, I guess, the covers for the cases. Alright, so these are the cases Casetify sent for us. I'm guessing these are all different kinds. I know that they have the impact cases, which is basically the most protective case and the slimmest phone cases ever. And they're super like protective without compromising the design. So let's just remove this one right here. Oh, sick. I thought this was like strapped down inside. This packaging is really, really nice from Casetify, guys. Look at that. So I think this is their slim protective case right here. Most definitely. We could see that. I love the design on this one though. Like, this is some hype beast kind of design. This is their clear case. And obviously we're gonna get some B-roll shots of it. This is their clear case. This one is crazy. Area 50. Is it 51? Area 51 case. This one is like this trippy one right here. This is a trippy case right here. But look at this. So I've been spending around 3 to 4 hours with this case now, and so far I've came to realization that this is my favorite one, and these are all their ultra impact cases, which are 3 times military grade, 6 feet drop protection, and it's really fun. Like, the clear back is nice. You could also feel the texture on the back. On the sides it's super grippy, and protection is second to none because we have the 4 bumper on the corner, the 4 corners of the device where the impact has mostly been penetrated. Normally with drops it's gonna fall on the sides, but we have those bumpers, and the thing is, it's stylish and not too bulky. You know, the different cases like Otterbox, they're super bulky for this type of protection. Also, we have lip protection both on the front of the device as you can see, and also the back where the camera is. We have lip protection around there, and lip protection basically means that if you have our phones face down on a flat surface, it won't scratch the lens or the screen. But I'll still recommend everyone to use a screen protector on their devices. Taking off the case is no problem as well. You just hold down the two bumper on the top and the bottom, just push off and the case will snap off really easily. It's super easy to swap between cases, and yeah, overall it's a very nice case, and I'll be using it because like these are the cases that celebrities use, like Kylie Jenner, all those people, all the celebrities uses this Casetify case. And some people tend to think it's only girls cases, but they also have cases for guys too, and you could also customize your case on their website. So it's super easy to customize. You could add your own pictures, your logos, your signature, your own different color. You could literally customize it to anything you guys need. And also Casetify hooked you up, so if you want a discount, use my discount code, and also the link down below. My discount code is 15 Shevon, so it's 15 SHEVON. Just put that in at checkout and you'll get a discount while purchasing anything from the Casetify store. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Links down below in the description. And as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.